Hello, Sharks. I'm Natasha Norris Standard. I'm the CEO and founder of Equal Footing, and I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. So I spent 20 years in the United States Army, and I am a retired major. Of course, I went to boot camp. I visited 54 countries. I was a paratrooper for 7 years, and I went to war in Afghanistan and Iraq. And can you believe this? All while wearing men's boots. As a female paratrooper jumping from an aircraft, I had a very different experience than my male counterparts. Let me tell you why. Everything is incredible about jumping. The skyline, the adrenaline rush, the landing, not so much. The first time I jumped and landed from an aircraft, I realized that my military grade combat boots did not support my ankles nor my feet. At that moment, it became my mission to create the first ever line of combat boots specifically designed for female service members. My name is Natasha Norris Standard. I am the CEO and founder of Equal Footing. No more ill-fitting boots. No more wearing two pair of socks to make our boots fit. There are no options available that meet the unique needs of female military service members. With women making up increased rates of enlistments, promotions, and combat roles, we must provide them with the right footwear to enhance performance, safety, and confidence. At Equal Footing, we are dedicated to providing high-quality products for female military personnel and supporting the growth of American manufacturing. Currently, we are seeking financial contributions to conduct the necessary industrial level training and testing that will allow us to qualify as an official vendor for all 5 military services, while ensuring compliance with the Berry Amendment. With your investment, you can play a vital role in achieving these objectives and directly contribute to supporting our women heroes in uniform. Join us in this endeavor to strengthen American manufacturing and to care for those who serve our country. Thank you. So when I retired, I told myself I can solve this problem. I went to graduate design school. I went to shoe school in Milan, Italy. And then I founded Equal Footing to solve the problem of military grade combat boot size specifically for the female foot. So Sharks, I don't just wear combat boots and I don't just design combat boots. I also have a women's luxury line called Nori Shoes. So we're sold in Macy's, we sold out in Macy's, and that line is still rocking. So Sharks, I've been very busy. Equal Footing has been very busy. Good Morning America producers called me. They called me in November, but we ended up doing the interview in February for Black History Month. Michael Strahan interviewed me. It was a 7-minute interview. Wow, what a great opportunity. And because of that interview, the United States Marine Corps called me. We set up a meeting with their entire footwear team in Philadelphia, and they requested samples. It's going to be great. This opened the door for the United States Air Force to also request samples. Wow, what a great opportunity. And so extended beyond the military, I have developed a civilian sector for this same boot. What is the difference? The military boot has to be 19 inches high from the outsole. The civilian boot will be 7 inches high from the outsole. But the kicker is, for these civilian boots, there will be hikers' boots. We have a customer base, a target audience of 40 million US women hikers. What a great opportunity to give them the equal footing version, the civilian version of our Equal Footing boot.
Equal Footing is currently pre-revenue with about $500 in lifetime D2C sales. These early sales validate initial customer interest despite limited product availability. Growth has been constrained by production challenges, not demand. Specifically, delays in getting samples to pass inspection and the high MOQ required by manufacturers have made it difficult to secure consistent inventory. In short, the business is supply constrained, not demand constrained.
So Sharks, once I land, all those military orders, I have a really good problem. No, we have a really, really good problem. I have to scale production to satisfy those orders, and the production has to be made in the United States of America in compliance with the very amendment. So this is my ask. $400,000 for a 20% stake in Equal Footing. So if you want to invest in a product that is designed for military women's feet, that will decrease lower extremity injuries and will increase their performance, all while using the patented zipper to store all of their stuff, all of their belongings, this is your company. Thank you for your time. Airborne all the way.